you're thinking about buying, please stop and watch this for a second. 3 different banks that are out there as a consumer, why it's so important that you know who you're working with and what kind of institution it is. So first is we're going to compare credit unions, right? Great option, especially when you're looking for credit cards, home equity lines of credit, auto loans, student loans, personal loans, things like that. They do a really, really good job at. In the mortgage space, their rates can be competitive, but they can't really explain it. And this is the biggest issue I see with them is that they have 3-1, 5-1, 6-1, 7-1 arms, and the rates are really competitive, but they charge origination fees. The consumer doesn't quite understand, and after just a couple years, those mortgages and those rates start to fluctuate. So as a first-time home buyer, something to be super wary of. The next is what's called a retail bank. Retail banks are great options if you're a really complicated borrower because they can control the whole process. The downfall to that is they have to control the whole process, they have to pay everybody, right? So they have a huge support staff, and that costs a lot of money. And so interest rates with them are significantly higher. And then the third is myself and my team, we are a broker, and what we do is we have the ability to basically wholesale out to 100 different banks. So every day when the market changes, if let's say Wells Fargo or Chase has the best rate today, well tomorrow United Wholesale might have the best rate. And we just have the ability to go out and pick and choose who's got the best rate and align our consumer with the right bank. So as you're shopping, make sure you do your due diligence. I always recommend even my clients chat with a couple people, make sure you feel comfortable, make sure the people are taking care of you, and you get out and educate yourself. That's the key here. So if you have questions, drop a link below, or drop some questions below, and yeah, peace.